Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 23, that is conjunctions. So, let's begin with this lesson. You know what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the words that join two sentences or words. So, conjunctions are linking words. ये क्या होता है? Linking words होते हैं. There are two main types of conjunction: coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. So coordinating conjunctions क्या होती है? The commonly used coordinating conjunctions are and, but and or. Commonly used होने वाली हमारी coordinating conjunctions है they link single words. ये क्या करती है? Single words को link करती है. Like I enjoy science and mathematics. She works fast but accurately. Is she laughing or crying? So ये क्या कर रही है? Two words to single words को join कर रही है, link कर रही है. They can link phrases. Phrases को भी link कर सकती है. I walked along the street and into the shopping plaza. This job is highly dangerous but extremely interesting. I don't know whether to drink a soft drink or coffee. Now they can link sentences. ये link कर सकते हैं sentences को भी. Dad is working in the garden and mom is busy in the kitchen. I usually read the Times of India, but my sister reads the Tribune. They may arrive tomorrow or they may not come till Sunday. Now the conjunctions and the conjunction and link words or phrases. ये क्या करती है? Link करती है words को या phrases को जो similar होते हैं in sense, similar in sense or go to together in some or go to together in some other way or कुछ other ways with साथ जाते हैं. Like here, besides and, but and or, there are several other conjunctions which act like coordinating conjunction और भी कुछ other conjunctions जो coordinating conjunctions की तरह चलती है. Like so, for, if, though, therefore, yet, and so that. ये क्या है हमारी? ये भी coordinating conjunctions हैं. Books and papers were scattered everywhere. हर तरफ scattered है books and papers. दो words को join करिए. The beds are white, so soft and comfortable. The apartment has two large rooms and a small one. The conjunction both and. So both के बाद बीच में कुछ word आता है and आता है. I use as pair for an emphasize like both. Priya and Sona thought I was right. Sorry. Mayam could both read and write before he was five. The plan was both sensible and practicable. Now conjunction but for use करते हैं. So they are used when with the words that are different but contrasting or contrasting. Like the conjunction but links words or phrases that are different or contrasting meaning. Grammar is valuable but challenging subject. Valuable but challenging subject भी है. So contrasting meaning आ गया. We want people with courage but plenty of common sense. Priya and Raj are in the same school but in different class. Contrasting हो गया different है. So the pair not and but is used for correcting a wrong impression. ये किसने use होती है? Wrong जो गलत impression है उसको सही करने के लिए. It was not courage that they lacked but discipline. The pair not only but also is used as a strong form of both and ये strong form की तरह use होते हैं both and but not only but also. Like, Mayam could not only read but also write before he was five. Strong pair आ गया. The plan was not only sensible but practicable. The conjunction or. The conjunction or is used to introduce a choice or an alternative. किसने use होते हैं? Choice introduce करने के लिए या फिर alternative introduce करने के लिए. It is a spider, an insect or an animal. Would you like tea or coffee? I must have left the keys in the car or at the office. Now the conjunction on takes the place of and. Object is the place लेती है and का place लेती है after a negative. I like tea and coffee. I don't like tea or coffee. I like tea, coffee and Coca-Cola. I don't like tea, coffee or Coca-Cola. यहाँ पे किसकी दूसरी नेगेटिव फॉर्म में ले लेती है फॉर्म. So place ले लेती है. The pairs of conjunction either dash 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 or and neither nor. I used to give more emphasis to alternative. किसने use होता है? ज़्यादा emphasize कर देने के लिए alternatives को, like John drinks neither tea nor coffee. Is neither clever nor sensible to laugh at others. I must have left the keys either in the car or at the office. I will either phone later or send you an email. The conjunctions yet, if, and, thought, though, so, therefore. कहाँ यूज होती है द कंजक्शन येट इफ दो ऑल्दो कैन बी यूज टू इंट्रोड्यूस अ कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग आइटम्स इन अ सिमिलर वे इसलिए यूज होती है कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग आइटम्स को इंट्रोड्यूस करने के एक सिमिलर वे में टू बट द ड्रेस वाज सिंपल येट elegant. Our neighbors were friendly if rather talkative. You are doing quite well, though I think you should try harder. Although he is only 5B, so he is good at using the computer. The conjunction therefore and so can be used to add a conclusion. किसने use होती है? Conclusion add करने के लिए. At night your brain is tired so less efficient. It was a beautiful therefore effective film. The conjunction as well as conjunction आपने जो as well as है कैसे use करते हैं as well as adds an item to one alternative known about it. क्या करते हैं एक item add करती है alternative में जो उसको हम जानते हैं like the results benefited me as well as him. Yes, she is beautiful but she has a talent as well as beauty. मतलब उसमें talent भी है beauty भी है but as well as can link items other than nouns and pronouns. ये क्या करता है link करता है item जो nouns और pronouns से अलग होता है as long as they belong to the same word class. Like I was surprised as well as pleased. Adjectives है Dhoni led the team sensitively as well as stealthily. Adverbs है he directs as well as writers them verbs. So the conjunction so, for, then, therefore, thought, although, yet, and so that can be used to join sentences. इसलिए use होती है join करने के लिए sentences को. I was getting late, so I decided to rent a room for the night. I said nothing, for there was nothing to say. Priya waited impatiently, then knocked again. I lost the ticket, therefore I was not allowed to enter. She won the first prize, though none of us had expected it. Although he had only entered the contest of fun, he won first prize. She knew she might fail, yet she kept on trying. उसको पता था वो फेल होगी, but वो try करती रही. So the conjunctions while, whereas are used to like but and are used like but as coordinating conjunctions. But की तरह use होती है किसकी तरह coordinating conjunctions में like I like that coffee while she prefers it with me. I love music whereas my sister likes reading novels. Now subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunction expresses time. ये किस लिए use होती है? Classified according to their use and they express. क्यों क्या एक्सप्रेस करती है और उनका यूज कैसे हो रहा है सो फर्स्ट का यूज होता है एक्सप्रेस लाइक एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए आई हैव कम टू मसूरी आफ्टर मेनी इयर्स बहुत सालों बाद टाइम शो करी है many new buildings have come up since we have last visited यहाँ पे टाइम शो है since आफ्टर से टाइम शो होता है इसका सबऑर्डिनरी कंजक्शन एक्सप्रेसिंग पर्पस की एक्सप्रेस करती है children should drink milk so that they keep healthy. Hold the ladder lest I fall. Subordinating conjunction express place. एक्सप्रेस करती है प्लेस एक्सप्रेस करती है द लैंड फॉलोड मी wherever she went जहाँ की वो गई return it to the shop from where you bought it जहाँ से तुमने खरीदा subordinated conjunctions of cause or reason like as she was not there I left the message with her neighbor since you like it I will buy it. Subordinated conjunction expressing contrast. ये क्या एक्सप्रेस करती है contrast एक्सप्रेस करती है though they are poor, they live honestly, although they are brothers, they do not talk. Subordinate conjunction expressing comparison. Express करती है comparison express करती है Priya is taller than Shreya. I don't dance as well as Lily does. Subordinate conjunction expressing condition. ये क्या express करती है condition express करती है If you want peace, be prepared for war. You won't pass unless you work hard. ये क्या एक्सप्रेस करे कंडीशन एक्सप्रेस करे कि आपको वर्क हार्ड करना पड़ेगा अगर नहीं तो तुम पास नहीं होगे. So Subordinate conjunction expressing results. ये results में express करती है. She was so tired that the slept on the floor. That she slept on the floor. आएगा. He is very he busy, so he has no time to relax. ये result express करिए. You have to study these sentences. If the operation is successful, the patient will live for at least 5 hours. Years. You will catch cold if you don't remove your wet shirt. ये क्या सब चीजें आ रही है इसमें? रीजन भी, रिजल्ट भी, एक्सप्रेस भी, पर्पस भी, कंपैरिजन भी. She will not sing unless all you keep quiet. Unless you pay attention, I will stop the lesson. Notice that there are two parts to each sentence. यहाँ पे दो parts हैं sentence में, the main part and which is in the color print. जो main part है वो color print में, and if unless part, and the if or unless part भी है. The if or unless part can be placed either in the front of the main part, के front में main part के place हो सकता है. Like आप 1% में देख लो, 4 में देख लो. Behind it, see, फिर उसके बाद भी हो सकता है, आप second sentence में देख लो और third sentence पे देख लो. Unless का means क्या होता है? If not. Now the conjunctions as if and as though का use होता है. When making comparison, we can use the conjunction as if, as though. जब हम comparison कर रहे होते हैं, जब हम as if और as though को use कर सकते हैं. So she looked so poor. She had not eaten for days. The plan ran as if his life was in danger. So you have to remember, besides because, we can also use conjunctions to show reason. Because सर हम conjunctions use कर सकते हैं reason show करने के लिए, compare करने के लिए. Following sentence को, like he took off his shoes because his feet hurt. As his feet hurt, he took off his shoes. Since his feet hurt, he took off his shoes. He took off his shoes for his feet hurt. Reason show करते हैं different ways में. Now, in order that, so as to are the conjunctions of purpose. ये किसकी conjunction है? Purpose conjunctions of purpose है. Of purpose है after the conjunctions, in order that, so that there has to be a subject verb. एक subject होना चाहिए और एक verb होनी चाहिए. As let us hurry, so that in order that the order don't take away the others don't take away the things. After the conjunction, in order to, so as to, we have the infinitive. यहाँ पे infinitive होती है, base form होती है, of a verb only. Let us hurry in order to, या फिर also as to get there first. So that's all for the conjunctions. I hope you like the explanation of this conjunctions. See you in the next class.